Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Today we are going to take a look at a fascinating boat. This is a 2022 Cobalt A29, an absolutely lights out one. If you're looking for a boat that really has it all, this is a must see. We're going to start right on the front. You're going to see the docking lights, that rich ebony bottom with the white stripe, rich ebony hull, and you're going to see the black arch with the hard top. Very classy looking, very sharp. Windlass anchor up in the front, stainless anchor. Work your way down the sides. You're going to see those beautiful flat stock, bar stock rails, oversized pop-out cleats. Absolutely stunning boat. Like I mentioned, it has all the right stuff. It starts right back here with the swim platform, where you're going to notice the trim tabs. You've got the underwater lighting, flip down swim step. It's also got the hydraulic platform, full teak boards or teak coverings throughout the boat, your flag in the back. Just absolutely stunning. So as I talk about features, this has to be a go-to feature. This is the Splash and Stow from Cobalt. Absolutely impressive. It has the pump set up, easy to blow up and inflate. Absolutely a ton of fun for hanging out on the back of this boat. And when it comes to Cobalt's design and functionality, take a look at this huge aft-facing lounger. Very comfortable and big with the cup holders. Beautiful, beautiful setup. And the recessed flip-up backrest are very nice as well. A little more comfortable for straight up and down seating in the back. Directly as you enter the boat is going to be your transom shower, along with the inflator controls here, along with your platform up and down controls. As you work your way into the cockpit, you're going to notice the nice teak flooring. You got a nice easy walkthrough to get into this boat. Once you're inside, it is very, very open with a lot of seating. Cockpit table here, you're going to notice things like premium sound. The condition of the seats and the entire interior is beautiful. Lots of cup holders. Even small things like the 12-volt outlets or USBs tucked underneath. And look at the detail work in the stitching. This is the Carmel carbon interior. Absolutely gorgeous. The flip-flop seating is also noteworthy, giving you a nice aft-facing lounge right here in the cockpit. Simply flip it backwards and you've got nice forward-facing seating. Work our way over to the captain's area here. You've got a beautiful double-wide helm seat. Flip-up bolster. I love all the stainless work they do. You even look down below and you've got the stainless foot treads. Those things are really, really feature rich and really add a lot of value to the boat. That 3-spoke matching wheel. It's got that stitching in there that just looks very nice. Garmin 8612s. Full functionality through them as well. Volvo controls over to the side. Electronic vessel. You also have the bow thruster and your Lenco trim tabs with the LED indicator lights mounted over there. Tilt wheel, fusion stereo head unit. Just a beautiful looking helm on the A29. One other thing, look at how they do the dash work up here. That is a very cool eyebrow over top of that display, really keeping it shaded and easy to view. From there, let's work our way forward. You're going to notice a nice passenger grab rail. Again, that premium sound, JL audio sub, glove box. Work our way forward. You're going to notice the port side entrance going up here and a beautiful, nice open bow section. There are flip down armrest for added comfort. There's also a spot for the cockpit table up here. And then this entire area can fill in with the bow filler cushions as well. Another nice feature on top of a lot of nice features, but is the way they do this anchor locker with the stainless strut. Look at how well finished it is. You also have windlass controls right here, a tie-off, and you have actual access to the chain, which is just such a cool feature. Cobalt really thought that through. So one last area to take you through on this A29 would be the head compartment. This is amazing. To give you an idea of the room, I have the bow filler cushions and the filler cushions that fill this area in setting in here, and there's tons of room to spare. You also have the marine head there. Work your way over to this side and you've got the air conditioning controls here. That is just a lights out setup for a head compartment in this A29. So there's a quick video walkthrough of this Cobalt A29, a 2022, and if you are in the market for really the right one, the one that has all the features, all the options, from the windlass to the hardtop, the air conditioning in the cabin, the electric flush head, the hydraulic platform, the splash and go, the flag, the teak interior, this boat has it all, and the bow thruster, I almost forgot about that. Please give us a call. Again, I'm Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. I would be glad to show you this boat, answer any questions you have on the Cobalt A29, and we can certainly set up a time to view. Thank you again, and have a great day.